Page Pilot AI tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about an absolutely incredible high converting product page creator. Okay. And it totally uses AI to integrate its work, which is absolutely incredible. And the software that I'm talking about is Page Pilot. Now, if you want to go ahead and create good conversion pages using an AI for your Shopify and get high boosts of sales, high clicks, and a lot more, then this is the correct platform for you because you can eliminate any type of competition. You don't even need to be consistent with your work every time the AI does something new for you. And that is what we're going to be using this for. So, first of all, to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to pagepilot.ai and you're going to click on Start Your Free Trial Now. Now, over here, simply go ahead and add in your email address. And once we have added in our email address, we're simply going to be adding our name. From there on out, you're going to add in your password. And once you've added your password, simply confirm it. And once we have gone through these steps, click on Create Account. Now, once we click on Create Account, here it says, congratulations, watch this 2-minute video to understand how Page Pilot works. Now, if you already know how softwares like these work, you don't really need to watch the video. You can go ahead and see it in action down here. So what you do is you copy any product link from AliExpress or Shopify. It could be your very own products as well that you take off of Shopify. And then once you paste the link, it says generate product page and creative. So basically, you're going to give it some type of prompts if you want to. And once you've done that, it should create great looking pages for you. So let's say, just to give you an example, I'm going to go over to Amazon. Okay. And once we're in Amazon, I'm going to choose a product that I wanted to create something. All right. So let's go ahead with some type of clothing. All right. So I'm going to go over to apparel. And right over here, let's go with this robe, okay? So I'm going to copy the link for the robe and we're going to come here and paste it. Once you do that, you're going to click on generate product page and obviously it detects that it is an Amazon product. So it's simply going to load the page in and it's going to see all the different things it can do with it. So once that is done, as you can see, we have one generated product. Now, do make sure that on the free plan, you use your credits wisely because you do get 3 credits, which basically means 3 generations only. Obviously, to get more generations in, you are going to want to make sure to get the upper plans. Now, as you can see, it keeps on loading and you just need to wait for it to simply give you a good generated page. Now, also, if you want to go ahead and connect your Shopify store to it, you can simply come over to the dashboard where it says connect Shopify stores over here. You're going to click on that, and now it's going to ask you for your Shopify website URL. So I'm going to be adding that right over here. And now it's going to ask you your Shopify key. Now, in the case you don't know your Shopify key, you can simply go over to your Shopify admin. And once we are in our Shopify admin, to get your Shopify key, simply go over to your settings. And once we are in our settings to connect your store, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to apps and sales channels. Now, once you come over here, generally you need to go to a custom application to work things in for yourself. And once you come over here, you're going to click on allow custom app development and they're going to give you private keys and APIs for your store. And obviously, once you get that, you're simply going to add them over here. And once you have done all of that, you should generally get your key. And you can also find that you go to your Shopify admin and click on app and sales channel settings. And once you go over there, it says develop apps, as I told you. So simply click on develop apps, click on allow custom app development. Once you have done all of that, click on create an app. You're going to give it a name. So let's say in this case, we're going to call it Pilot or Page Pilot if you want to go ahead with that. Once you do that, click on create app. And now that we've clicked on create app, as you can see, it's going to give us all these things. So over here, you're going to come over to API credentials. And right about here, they're also going to give you in the step process that you're going to go to configure admin API scopes. where you can go into configuration. So let's say I'm going to go over to admin API configuration. And what you're going to do is you're obviously going to go ahead and select all the things that you want to create an API for. So I'm going to simply select these things through. And once we have done that, what's going to happen from here is you can simply go over ahead and generate an AI scope for yourself. All right. So we're simply going to click on save. And once you save the API scopes for yourself, what's going to happen from there is here it says install. So you are going to want to make sure to install the application correctly for yourself. So we're going to click on install. We're going to click on install again. And once you have done all of that, here you can see it gives you your API token where you get your secret key and your API key. So you can simply come over here and see which key it wants. And obviously you're going to want to go with your token. Okay. So this is the token. I'm going to reveal it. I'm going to go ahead and copy it, come down here, add it into my Shopify key, and click on Connect Store. But once you do that, in here, it might say that it is missing some required scopes. So read products, read themes, write themes. Now, in the case that is not selected, you can go ahead to edit. And here we're going to go over to the read and write product imaginations that it asks you to connect. So simply go ahead, read and write products. There we go. And then we have read and write themes. Okay. So simply make sure to add the correct themes for yourself. And once you've done that, click on save. And once it's finally saved, you're going to go ahead and add a connection to the application. Once again, click on connect store. And once we click on connect store, there we go. Now our store is connected. Now, once that is done, you can simply go over here to your dashboard. Now you can see that the generation that I did in the start of the video is now fully done. So if it's fully done right now on my Shopify, it is inactive. So to actually activate it, what you're going to be doing is first of all, you can go over to the edited variants and now you can see that I've added the product and it's generated a cool page for me. So sunny day, smart umbrella, stay dry effortlessly and never forget your umbrella again. And as you can see, it adds all the relevant details, the images, the reviews and whatnots. And once this is done, you can import it into Shopify. But if you want to change it for yourself, you can go over to edit variants and add in your very own custom variations to it if you want to. But obviously, you won't need to do that because Page Pilot is going to do it for you. And the better part of it is that not only do you get a product page for your Shopify, but you also get a pretty cool looking Facebook ad. And you can change the settings for it as well from a short copy to a medium copy to an even longer copy if you want to go ahead with that. And yeah, generally, that is how you're going to be using Page Pilot AI for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.